So if you want to understand StockX price charts in 2026, yeah, this is the easiest way to know when to buy low and sell high without guessing. First, open StockX on your phone or computer and search for the sneaker or item you want to track. Next, click on the product. This is where you'll find the full price chart, recent sales, and market trends. Now look at the price chart. It shows how the item's price moves over time, up, down, or stable. Next, switch between time ranges like 7 days, 30 days, or 1 year to understand short-term and long-term trends. Now compare the highest bid and lowest ask. This tells you what buyers are paying and what sellers expect. If prices are trending upward, demand is increasing. If they're dropping, the market might be cooling down. Now scroll down and check recent sales. This shows real transactions, not just listings or bids. Before you buy or sell, always compare the chart with current bids. This helps you avoid overpaying or selling too cheap. And that's it. That's how you use StockX price charts step by step in 2026